Household vocabulary.
Door,
This is a door.
window,
This is a window.
wall,
This is a wall.
floor,
This is a floor.
ceiling,
This is a ceiling.
table,
This is a table.
chair,
This is a chair.
sofa,
This is a sofa.
bed,
This is a bed.
pillow,
This is a pillow.
blanket,
This is a blanket.
cupboard,
This is a cupboard.
wardrobe,
This is a wardrobe.
drawer,
This is a drawer.
shelf,
This is a shelf.
television,
This is a television.
remote,
This is a remote.
fan,
This is a fan.
air conditioner,
This is an air conditioner.
light,
This is a light.
bulb,
This is a bulb.
switch,
This is a switch.
switchboard,
This is a switchboard.
plug,
This is a plug.
socket,
This is a socket.
clock,
This is a clock.
mirror,
This is a mirror.
carpet,
This is a carpet.
curtain,
This is a curtain.
refrigerator,
This is a refrigerator.
microwave,
This is a microwave.
gas stove,
This is a gas stove.
oven,
This is an oven.
mixer,
This is a mixer.
blender,
This is a blender.
plate,
This is a plate.
bowl,
This is a bowl.
spoon,
This is a spoon.
fork,
This is a fork.
knife,
This is a knife.
glass,
This is a glass.
cup,
This is a cup.
bottle,
This is a bottle.
lunchbox,
This is a lunchbox.
dining table,
This is a dining table.
sink,
This is a sink.
tap,
This is a tap.
bucket,
This is a bucket.
mug,
This is a mug.
washing machine,
This is a washing machine.
iron,
This is an iron.
ironing board,
This is an ironing board.
broom,
This is a broom.
mop,
This is a mop.
dustbin,
This is a dustbin.
dustpan,
This is a dustpan.
towel,
This is a towel.
soap,
This is a soap.
toothbrush,
This is a toothbrush.
toothpaste,
This is a toothpaste.
shampoo,
This is a shampoo.
comb,
This is a comb.
nail cutter,
This is a nail cutter.
book,
This is a book.
notebook,
This is a notebook.
pen,
This is a pen.
pencil,
This is a pencil.
eraser,
This is an eraser.
sharpener,
This is a sharpener.
school bag,
This is a school bag.